Good morning, Steve with CCI, and on today's Feature Friday, I'm going to talk to you about our auto reload feature that's available in our FasCard and FLEX RF systems. So if you've ever wanted to be relieved of the burden of reloading your employees' cards at the end of the week, whether that's for their wash and fold service, for doing restarts for customers, or maybe you have some commercial accounts that are your retail customers that you want to auto reload their cards on a regular basis so that they can do business with you. Some folks set them up as almost like subscription services where they just write them a check once a month and they come in and use the services. But rather than them trying to feed a bunch of cash into the kiosks, they just write a check. And so you set up an auto reload function. There's a ton of opportunities of using this for all kinds of interesting ways, but let me show you how you set it up. So once you've logged into your FasCard or Flex system, you'll obviously see your dashboard, and I'm going to show you first on the loyalty card side. So you're going to click on the loyalty tab, and then you're going to go ahead and look for the account that you want to add the auto reload to. So we'll choose this account right here, and we'll scroll down, and you'll see there's a section right here labeled auto reload. It's currently set to off. We'll go ahead and click on, and you can see there's some settings here. So if we wanted to, we can do a weekly reload, we can do a monthly reload, and we can choose the parameters around those settings. So let's say we want to do it weekly, and we want to do it every Sunday, and we can choose the time. So let's say we want it to be at 6 a.m. And then here's where you can choose whether or not you want the reload to be real money. So this would be like actual funds, the system treats it as real funds, or do you want it to be bonus dollars, which would be more like, in-store credit. So you can choose that. And again, there are various reasons you may go one direction or the other. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and just say $50 in regular money. And then if you want, you can also choose to zero out the previous balance before you add this. I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And you can put a note in there so you can remember, why did I set this all up? So let's say it's a commercial account. And that's it. We're going to go ahead and hit save. And here we go. We've got an auto reload set up for this customer every Sunday at 6 a.m. It's going to add $50, and it's going to auto zero out whatever previous balance was there before. Now, I mentioned you can do this with your employees as well. So you'll go to users for that, and you'll go ahead and choose your user. And it's in a little bit different section, but it's the same exact configuration. You've got an auto reload section, and you can choose the schedule, whether you want it to be every day, every week, or a certain day of the month. You can set that all up. So that is the auto reload feature. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.